Good morning, class. Yesterday I gave you two questions, so I think you completed and you know the answer. If you did not, let me tell you what were Mr. and Mrs. Rajan going to do in Paris. Mrs. Rajan wanted to learn about the perfume business. Okay, Mrs. Rajan wanted to learn about the perfume business, and Mr. Rajan wanted to attend a culinary school to be a chef. Once again, Mrs. Rajan wanted to learn about the perfume business. Mr. Rajan wanted to attend a culinary school to be a chef, okay, for cooking. And now question 2, how big is India as compared with France? France is 1/4 the size of India. Once again, France is 1/4 the size of India. Okay, students, today again I have two more questions for you. Here in the beginning I am giving you homework, two questions. Okay, date, homework. Write these questions in your rough copy, not in fair copy. Okay, these are extra questions, so you will learn how to solve them. Question number 3, 1 and 2 is complete. Question number 3, which is the largest country of Europe? I am repeating it. Question number 3, which is the largest country of Europe? And fourth question, name a few food items mention in your lesson. Okay, question number 4, name a few food items mentioned. Okay, that's your homework for tomorrow. Okay, students, let's revise the story. There is a one family, Rajan family. They came in France. They arrived in Paris. Paris is the capital of France. And then what happened? They are moving in taxi and they are looking the buildings and famous building of Eiffel Tower. The father of Indrani and Alicia, he's telling them about the France, and what happened, he is showing them famous buildings, famous places of France. He was talking about the food, which food is famous in France and what products are famous, and what factories are there, big factories, how is the land is there, how France is covered, most the coastal area with the sea, and what happened, how is the park and gardens are there. There are ponds. Children and people of France like to go outside, and they go and go to the gardens, and young children like to sail toy boats in the ponds. So these everything we studied yesterday. Now we will start today. What we will start? We will start from here. Family laugh, we finished. Now this paragraph we will start today. Okay, so now look at this paragraph. Okay, students, let's start our, no, we finished till here, drinking and talking. Sidewalk cafe, yes, we had an explanation of this, so we will go a little bit further. Here, this paragraph, I think we have to start this paragraph. There are much to see in Paris. Mr. and Mrs. Rajan took the family to visit the Musée du Louvre. So we learned in our exercise how we pronounce this Musée de l'Or. So what happened? There are plenty to see in Paris. That means lots of places. When we go to the Paris, there is lots of places to visit. Okay, and you will see lots of things, new things, old things, famous places. Okay. Once what happened? Mr. Rajan took his family to show the museum, which was named Musée de l'Or. Okay, so they went to see the museum, Musée de l'Or, one of the finest museum in the world. This museum, Musée de l'Or, is the best museum in France. Not even in France, it's best in world. Best one of the best museum in the world. Okay, it is too famous and it's too big. Okay, clear? After a few weeks, the Rajans left to visit the rest of the France. So in 1 year, many times they went to visit different places in France. They visited different places in France. Now, after some times, Rajan family left from the Paris to visit. Rest means many which places are they did not seen yet. They went to see these places. Okay, it is the later Rajan family went to see some more parts or maybe some more places in the France. Okay, and now first they visited Normandy and Brittany, two of the oldest part in the country. Now Rajan family, where they went? They went to see the Normandy, place name, and Brittany. We already pronounced this in your exercise. Okay, first I showed you before the explanation. So they went to see Normandy and Brittany, two of the oldest part of the country. Okay, first they visited two old cities of France. They are named Normandy and Brittany. These are two oldest parts of the France. That means these parts are oldest part. Now Indrani and Alicia knew that Brittany is a peninsula. That is, the land reaches out into the sea. A part of Normandy is a peninsula too. So now in this sentence they are telling, that means Indrani and Alicia knew. Maybe their parents knew. What they knew? That Brittany is a peninsula. So let we underline the word from here. Finest, museum, peninsula, okay, and pleasant. So now they know the Brittany is a peninsula. That is the land reaches out into the sea. A part of Normandy is a peninsula too. Indrani and Alicia knew that Brittany is a peninsula. This part of the land of the city is covered by sea. Border of the this city covered by sea. Even Normandy is a peninsula. Okay. So there is the, I think we did this. Okay. Here. Finest means of very high quality. Museum means a building, in which objects of historical, scientific or artist are stored. That means a building in which objects of historical, scientific, artists are stored. Museum, a building in which objects of historical, scientific, artistic are stored. Okay. And next is peninsula. Here, meaning of peninsula: land surrounded by water on three sides. Okay. Peninsula, the meaning of peninsula: land surrounded by water on three sides. Okay. So Rajan family knew Brittany and Normandy are peninsula. That's why they are surrounded by the sea on three sides. Unlike they found this part of France very cool and pleasant. Okay. Pleasant means, meaning of pleasant, giving a sense of happy. So that means this place is not very hot, so it's pleasant. So you feel happy to feel this weather. Weather is very good. Sometimes there were storms from the ocean and it rained a little almost every day. The people there, mainly farmers and fishermen. In these two places, people's mainly work is they are farmer or fishermen. They fish. Okay. Seemed a little old-fashioned. They were not too interested in trying new things, unlike the people of other parts of France. Okay. So now we have to underline the word seemed. Means here. Seemed means appeared. Okay. And interested, underline the word interested. Interested, I think everyone know, showing concern about something. And okay, so now we are talking about the people from Normandy and Brittany. So they found, okay, here the Rajan family found this French place very cold and beautiful. Most times there was a violent disturbance of atmosphere with strong wind and usually rain. With the strong wind and rain. Okay. The sea, because of the sea, there often rain. So that's why this place is cooler than the other places. Okay. And most people in Normandy and Brittany are farmers and fishermen. that place look a bit old. Okay, other places in France are very, these are not very old, new fashion, but these two places are seem little old. They do not like new fashions. These people from Brittany and Normandy, they don't like much of new fashion like in other parts, like the other parts of the France. The people of France love new fashion. The other parts of the France people love new fashion. Okay, they were not too interested in trying a new things, unlike the people in other parts of the France. Okay, instead of other parts of the people from France, they like new fashions. Okay, but people here do not like much new fashion. Okay, now next paragraph. The Rajan enjoyed visiting the old seaport. They knew that long ago, in the day of wooden sailing ships, soldiers and colonists had sailed from there in the last days of World War II. Now we will underline the word enjoyed. Okay, meaning of enjoyed, take delight. Okay, or pleasure. So the Rajan family was pleased to visit the old seaport. They knew that a long time ago, at the end of the Second World War, big guns had thundered. So underline the word thundered. Okay, countryside, peaceful, visited. Visited, I think you already know the meaning of visited. I already told you. So like thundered. Thundered means making a lot of noise. Okay, meaning of countryside, the land of a rural area. Okay, thundered means making a lot of noise. Countryside, the land of rural area. Peaceful, calm, calm, restful. Visited, go to see and spend time with socially. Okay, and one more word I want to tell you, exploded. Meaning of exploded. Meaning of exploded is having burst. Okay, B-U-R-S-T, burst. So now you complete all the word meaning, and now let's finish the explanation of this. Big gun had thundered, their bombs had exploded, and bullets had ripped through the trees and gardens. So ripped you already know, told, you did in your word meaning. Okay, and countryside you learned, you know the meaning, and peaceful. So now let's finish the explanation of this. At the end of the Second World War, there is a wooden ships. Okay, the soldiers departure from there, departure from here to other places. Okay, At that time there was a roar of big firearms. Lots of the time you heard this roar of big firearms. Firearms means weapons, like bomb had exploded, having burst, or bullets, weapon broke through the trees and gardens. So when people is there, colonists or other people, they always hear these sounds there. Okay, but not nowadays. Nowadays this place is very peaceful, but in olden days there were these things are making too much noise. Okay. However, the sea coast and the countryside looked very peaceful when the Rajan family visited them. That means they visited Brittany and Normandy. That time it's a very peaceful place. But nowadays sea coast and the countryside look very calm when Rajan family went to hang out there. Hang out there means to visit there at the coastal area. So I think students, you know the story of this lesson. If there is any problem, just send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, so I will solve your problem. Students, now open your copy and write down your question number C. Yesterday we completed question number A and B. So now today we will write question number C and D. Okay, I used gel pen but red and blue, but please you use not red gel pen, black gel pen. Write question with the black gel pen and write answer with the blue gel pen. Okay, so here date, classwork, write neat and clean, and I want everyone's lesson name. Okay, so prepare your lesson name. Now question number C. Yeah, name two parts of France covered by the sea on nearly all sides. Okay, sea nearly all sides is covered with water. Water, not water of usual water, sea water. How are the people in these parts different from those in the rest of France? I am repeating your question again. Name two parts of France covered by the sea on nearly all sides. How are the people in these parts different from those in the rest of France? So look at it properly. Okay, now I am showing you answer. I think you understand this writing. I wrote it very carefully, but still maybe some mistake there, so let me know. Answer C. Brittany and Normandy are peninsulas. Okay, that is, comma, they are surrounded by the sea. That is, they are surrounded by the sea on three sides, unlike the people in the rest of France. Yes, after side there is a full stop. Unlike the people in the rest of the France. the people living here are old fashioned. Okay, the people living here are old fashioned and do not like to try out new things. Okay, once again we will revise. I think its whole answer is fit in your screen. Okay, so little bit we will push it here. Okay, I think now no problem. Answer C. Brittany and Normandy are peninsulas. That is, they are surrounded by the sea on 3 sides. Unlike the people in the rest of the France, the people living here are old-fashioned and do not like to try out new things. Okay, students. Now question number D. Okay. Now question number D. What did the Rajans know? Rajans means Rajan family. Okay. Know about the seaports they visited. Once again, D, question number D. What did the Rajans know about the seaports they visited? And I think you know the meaning of know. जानना, जानता हूँ, जानती हूँ. ठीक है? Now answer D. The Rajans knew that the seaports they visited were important. Places where attacks took place during World War II. This one is second in Roman. Okay. Important places where attacks took place during World War II. The soldiers and colonists had often sailed from those French seaports. French seaports. The soldiers and colonists had often sailed from those French seaports. Once again, okay. Question number D. What did the Rajans know about the seaports they visited? The Rajans knew that the seaports they visited were important. Places where attacks took place during World War II. The soldiers and colonists had often sailed from those, those, those. Okay, this one is a little bit rough, so that's why I told you the spelling. Okay, French seaports. Okay, students, now you had your homework, you had your an explanation. So tomorrow we will complete exercise matching and fill in the missing letters, and part 2 answer these questions with reference and context. Okay, students, we will do these two things tomorrow. So students, now we finished our lesson today. So now go to the washroom, wash your hands and ready for next lesson. Okay.